Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is video number 6 in our I-85 series, and we're still heading north, beginning in Coweta County, Georgia, heading for Atlanta. We enter Fulton County and the city of Fairburn. Fulton County is the most populous county in Georgia, with a population of 1,041,423 people. Phew. Fulton County is part of the Atlanta, Sandy Springs, Roswell Metropolitan Statistical Area. Approximately 90% of the city of Atlanta is located within Fulton County. The other 10% lies within DeKalb County. The city of Fairburn has a population of 14,182. Fairburn is home to the Georgia Renaissance Festival, in operation during the springtime of each year. We enter Union City, which had an estimated population of 20,919 in 2016. Union City is at an elevation of 968 feet above sea level. Here we see an interchange with Interstate 285, which is the loop around Atlanta. Locally known as the Perimeter, it is estimated that more than 2 million people use the highway each day, making it the busiest interstate in the Atlanta metropolitan area and one of the most heavily traveled roadways in the United States. We enter the city of College Park, which has a population of 15,035. The city lies partially in Fulton County and partially in Clayton County, and is home to the fourth largest urban historical district, registered with the National Register of Historic Places in the state of Georgia. For 1 mile, I-85 turns east and runs alongside, actually between the lanes of I-285, although on separate roadways. As we turn away from I-285, the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is on our right. The airport is partially located in College Park's boundaries, and the Georgia International Convention Center, owned and operated by the City of College Park, is within the city limits. We briefly enter Clayton County, the third smallest county by area in Georgia, but has an estimated population of 285,153 people. We return once again to Fulton County while remaining in the city of College Park. A bit of trivia for you. The Atlanta airport is the world's busiest airport. We briefly enter the suburban city of East Point, so named because it is the opposite end of the former Atlanta and West Point Railroad from West Point. We enter the city of Hapeville. From 1947 until 2006, Hapeville was home to the Ford Atlanta Assembly Plant. In 2015, Porsche North America opened its North American headquarters in the old Ford site. We conclude today's video at exit 75. In our next video, you'll get to experience the early afternoon traffic and the chaos of Atlanta from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and join us for our next 504 road trip.